Muslims are taking over America. They completely control our financial sector. They have all the power whenever it comes to mainstream media. Hell, they're even the largest donor to all of our politicians. Muslims are just taking over the entire country. Muslims are even just 1% of our population, but 41% of all billionaires are Muslim. Actually, guys, I got that mixed up with somebody else, but I wish it was true. America should be under Muslim control, and we would be a lot better off. Let me say that again for the people who don't understand. America would be better off under Muslim control. And yes, that's going to ruffle some feathers, but hear me out on this. First of all, interest is illegal. Riba, one of the biggest sins possible. You can't do what's happening in the banking sector. That's completely not allowed. And you know how our food is basically poison? Yeah, what's going on in the FDA and how they approve Red 40 and all kinds of crazy stuff? Well, that's not halal. Our food will be so much cleaner. We won't be sick nonstop. This whole Muslims are taking over America thing is absolutely ridiculous. We only make up 1.3% of the entire population and have borderline no power in politics. We're not the ones who decide the laws, and people need to understand Muslim does not mean Arab. You guys understand this is a religion, not a race, right? You can't deport Muslims. That's weird. It makes no sense at all.